So guys, you want to know what really grinds my gears?
You got gears?
Stay tuned and I'll let you know. That's not funny. Hi guys, welcome back.
Can I play with your gears?
Can you stop? I'm trying to do an intro.
I thought you already did it.
No.
Okay.
Hi guys. Okay, are we good? Hi guys, welcome. Would you stop? That's not helping here. Hi guys, welcome back. If you are new here, my name is SJ, and welcome to my channel.
It's not a real name.
Would you stop it? Oh my God. So, do you guys want to know what really grinds my gears?
She's got gears.
Okay, stop now. Be nice.
I am.
What really grinds my gears, and before I actually tell you, you could probably tell what it's about according to the title and the thumbnail. So before I get into it, my analytics says that the majority of viewers of my videos are men. So men, before you decide to click off this video and go, it's another woman video, female writer video, don't. Because if you have a friend, a wife, or a girlfriend that rides her own, or even rides on the back with you, stay tuned, because this is going to be an interest to you as well.
I'm bored already.
You're you are such a
Can I, if you got gears, can I twiddle them?
Oh my God.
I'm going to twiddle your gears.
Anyway, what grinds my gears
I still want to twiddle your gears.
Is actually the lack of female riding gear. Yes, there is female riding gear out there. I do have 2 jackets and 1 pair of pants that is deemed female riding gear, and actually only 1 jacket that I have, which is my HWK, is actually made for females. The fly jacket that I'm wearing now, it says it's for females, but I think honestly it's just a repurposed male jacket for female. And there's a lot of female riders out there, and I mean the female riding community is growing every year. Every year there's more and more females who are riding their own motorcycles. And the one thing that us female riders are having a hard time finding is gear. And it's hard, and it's just not a certain type of woman, it's all female riders. So my thing is, I don't understand why the gear manufacturers, anybody else? You sure? You positive? You want to stay there? Thank you. I don't understand is with the female riding community growing the way it is, why female gear manufacturers have not gotten on board and really made an effort to make female riding gear.
But these manufacturers are not run, most of them, by people that are directly involved. They're run by bean counters. And, you know, running anything today is all about maximizing shareholder value, and the product gets lost in the shuffle.
Well, to me, I just see it as a missed marketing, money-making opportunity. Because women shop, women buy multiples. They're just not going to buy 1 gear jacket or anything. They're going to buy multiples, different colors. So for me, I just don't understand why they would miss this opportunity. This is a community that's going to continue to grow. This is a community that's not a fad. It's not going to go away. We're here to stay, and we want to be protected. And we want gear that, you know, fits us. You know, and the other thing that gear manufacturers have to remember is not all female riders want pink. Some of us like red, some of us like blue, we like green, high vis, brown. So stop with everyone wants pink. I'm not saying don't do pink, but don't make that the only color for women, pink or purple. Yeah, because I mean, you only find female gear, and that's frustrating. That's either pink or purple.
Yeah, well, the guys, have to get together and push it to the manufacturers.
We all need to just say, hey, come on. Manufacturers, we're here.
I'm
We're
tired
not
of
going
buying
anywhere.
clothes made for men and hoping to God it fits me,
Right.
which it doesn't.
No. I mean, I ran into that. I bought that first pair of pants, remember? And it was like, are you kidding me? Yeah, I mean, I get it. Gear's not for every rider, male or female. I get that. And it's ride your own and, wear what you want. You're old enough, you're big enough, you know the dangers when you swing the leg over the bike. I don't tell somebody to, what they wear on a bike. But for the ones that do, yes, the males, they don't have any problem finding gear. Because again, it's been male dominated for years. But when it comes to females, it's very hard. And like I said, it comes to the fact of we are so many different body types. I mean, a size 12 and you have what? 5 different sizes of a size 12? Different cuts, that's the word, different cuts. Alright guys, that's what grinds my gears, and I hope that, the gear manufacturers will wake up and finally realize that, hey, we're missing an opportunity here, and that us female riders can actually have gear that fits to protect us instead of riding around without the gear because we can't find anything that fits us and our body types. If you like this video, smash the like button, share it with a friend, and you guys help us too, because it's about keeping your wife, your girlfriend, or your friend safe, whether she rides her own or whether she rides on the back. So until next time guys, remember, ride safe.